we're going to use the flowers. What we have now is a whole bunch of flowers, and they give you 2 of the large and 2 of the small, and I am pulling in scraps. Now I mean really scraps of these flowers. So we're just going to run those through. So don't throw out your scraps, because when you have all those scraps, you can still use them. Of course, you all know that. How many of us hoard scraps? So I'm going to leave those because we might want to still use them. So I've got 1 flower. Look how cute these flowers are. Aren't they really sweet? I just love when you have a small piece of patterned paper, because you can really notice on even something this small just how cute it is. Now another thing that we're going to do is I want a tiny little circle. Now I found that the circle out of the warm welcome works really well for this, and so I'm going to cut that out. I measured it and it is a 3/8 inch circle. So if you have a 3/8 inch circle from a punch or something like that, it's a pretty small circle, then that's what we're using for this one. So we are going to cut those out, and you'll see what I do with that circle in just a sec. So what we're going to do, bring in our silicone craft sheet again. We are going to take this fresh freesia one, the little guy, and we're just going to cut off again, just like we were making the leaves, but we are going to use these guys. It makes a super cute little embellishment. So I'm using my fine tip glue, and I'm going to turn that circle over, and it's going to go right over top. I'm going to take one little mini dimensional, not a mini dot, a mini dimensional, and it's going to go right here. We're done with that guy. Okay, so isn't that cute? But it needs a tail too, I think. These are the opaque gems, and they come in the fresh freesia. That's the one I'm going to use. We don't want to overpower him with too big of a tail, so I'm going to go for the middle one. Put that right down there. Okay, now what does that look like? Doesn't it look like a cute little Easter bunny?